nti ali mu kwogerezeganya n'omukulu Elon Musk omugagga wa nannyini Starlink eno balabenga ebyo yaddewo babadde bikyalemeseza okulaba nga internet enigibwako oba omukutu guno guvaako bitereezebwa era bikolebwako katulabe ku president byayogedde ku nsonga eyo.
I have been in talk with Elon Musk. He has been telling me that his satellite is called Starlink. That when I allow him to come here, although it is satellite, because satellite was expensive, that's why we migrated from satellite to underground cable. But Elon Musk has been telling me that no, satellite is now cheaper. They call it last what? When they go to the last person.
Last mile.
Huh?
Last mile.
Last mile. There's also something about, they say there about the person, the customer. Direct to the customer. So we are studying that. We shall, if it is true, we shall allow Elon Musk to bring his satellites here. If they can make that digital connection cheaper than the underground, then we shall. We are already. I became aware of this long before Katenda was born. When were you?
Kale anzikiza bukiza kutere wano tuwe umulemu katono nnyo tukomawo n'ensonga z'eggwanga mulodi yatuusedda wano okulaba nga tuzimenya myano kuba nga tuziyitamu. Zarafati Musoke vaawo mpitawe bwazibidde.